Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making the birdhouse craft kit that you picked up. So every craft kit will include 50 sticks, some bird seed, and instructions. Super simple. What you're going to need at home is a hot glue gun or glue. Hot glue will work faster. Scissors, and some paint. And maybe some masking tape, because I used some masking tape on mine. So, open up your kit, leave the bird seed in the sack for now, take your little wrapper off of the sticks, and you have 50. So what you do first is you take 2 sticks, set them down. Super simple. Then you take 11 sticks. 11? Yes, 11 sticks. And you lay them across. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my first one down. So you need them corner to corner. There we go. And put down number 2. Right up next to it, you need your floor to be seamless so the bird seed will stay. Okay, number 3. And 11. You're going to have a little space at the top. That's okay, we're just going to cover that up. But you need to use 11 or you're going to be 1 short later. So, you're going to glue this one just like the one on the bottom. So you glue it across. To hold all those sticks together. And one on the other side. There we go, like a little sandwich. So you have your floor. Okay, you need 8 layers, not including your floor. So that was our first layer. So we'll do 2, 3, there we go. So we should have 10 layers in all. So 1, 2, the floor is your second layer. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. 10 layers. And now you have a floor and a little basket where your seed will fit. If you feel like it's going to fall out the side right here, you can always stuff that with something like some hot glue, or if you have extra popsicle sticks at home, you can put one there just to kind of seal it in. But we're going to keep going. So you need to take 4 sticks and glue one vertically in each corner. These may take a little while to dry. Hold it in place or it'll start falling. Oh no. Okay, we have one in each corner. Maybe they'll stay up. So you take 2 more and you put them across. So you'll attach it like this on top of those 2 and like this on top of those 2. Make sure they're completely dry first. So we have this that is square. Now we're going to put our roof on. So to make your roof, you take 12 sticks and lay them out so that they're equal to each other all the way down. This is where your tape comes in handy, because you'll take a piece of tape and you'll lay it down flat on this side and then lay one down flat on this side. So you can see that I have them taped together on both sides. So these used to be together and I pre-cut them for this video. So you'll lay them down, you'll draw a line straight down the middle, and then you'll cut them. So if you have them taped together, cutting them up the center is really easy and they won't fly everywhere. So you cut them into 2 sides of your roof, 12 sticks, straight down the middle. Then on the tape side, you'll take 2 more of your sticks, and by this time you should only have 1 little tiny stick left over here. So you'll take these 2, you'll glue them onto your roof tiles to make them sturdy. And there we go. We have 2 sides of the roof. Take your bird house or your bird seed house and you'll put them, this is going to fit perfectly. So we'll set them just like this and then we'll glue them down. So I think I'm going to glue the edge where they meet, glue the edge where it meets this one, and glue the edge where it meets this one. And then we'll put them together and onto here. You're gonna have to hold this one or it will sag if it's not completely dry. And we can go in and we can reinforce underneath the roof where it connects. Just to make sure. And last but not least, you have one stick left, so you can do whatever you want with it. I'm going to cover up this little seam of glue that's right on the top, right down the center. And there you go. You have your bird feeder. And you can hang it outside. And put your bird seed right in here. Let's see if it works. I may have to plug up some of those holes. There we go. And it actually works really well. I am going to have to plug up this little hole over here, but other than that, I think it works really well. So we'll see if we can get some birds. I'm gonna go paint it and then put it outside. Thanks for watching, and I hope you grabbed a kit and can make your own bird feeder. Bye!